Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sawdust Diaries. So today we're in a completely different location. We are in Oatman, Arizona, and we're here for a specific reason, and we have a special guest. So if you would like to introduce yourself.
Yes, hi everyone. I'm Melani Perez. I'm a local photographer here in the tri-state area, Bullhead City, Mojave Valley, Fort Mojave, and we are doing some product photos for their wonderful business, and we are here in Oatman, Arizona.
So we decided, you guys know we're doing the custom tables now, and we decided we need to get a professional involved in staging and setting up good photography for our pictures. As you guys know, and we've talked about this, photography is key. If you don't have good products or good photos of your products, you're really kind of shooting yourself in the foot, and you're just not going to get the results that you want. So we are actually in a friend of mine that does old time photos here in Oatman, Linda and Tom. As she's kind of working, we thought we just kind of fill you guys in on tips and things that you might take into consideration when you're doing your staging on whatever you're staging, whatever you're selling for photography on Facebook Marketplace or wherever. If you had to give some tips of advice if somebody's taking pictures of sign?
First of all, I would definitely say lighting would be like one of the biggest factors in getting a good photo. You either want to bring in your own lighting, if your photographer has any flashes, any extra lighting, make sure their camera is good with any type of lighting. Just like how we were doing this, I brought in extra lighting to get so we don't have any glares. Probably another tip would be location. So either find like a little space that kind of goes with the vibe of your products, or like outside. Mm-hmm. And even if we go outside, find a little place.
So if they're doing a picture of a sign that's about barbecues or cooking or whatever, then try and match stuff that would go around that, not just take a picture on a carpet.
Yeah, definitely. Like right here, we're doing photos of these tables, and they kind of go with that like rustic type of vibe. So this color is actually really complimenting for this because it's bringing out the color in this table. Mm-hmm. We did the other tables against the brick wall and like all of those browns, black colors. So it just kind of like, you just want to match your surroundings with your product.
Really?
Just so you don't have a blank, background.
Right.
I mean, sometimes it works, but if you're really trying to catch someone's attention, then that's the way to go.
Gotcha. Cool. More an angle, like move it over
like
this
right
way?
Here?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that'd be kind of a cool backdrop with the wildlife one too, though. All right. About there?
Yes.
All right, guys, we are going to close it up now. So again, I want Melani to kind of give you guys all of her information. Where can they find you?
I am on Instagram, Facebook at Melani P Photography. Okay. You can just follow me there, see all my stuff. I also have a website, melanipphotography.com, and all my booking info is up on there.
Fantastic. So any last words of advice for people that are trying to figure out how to take good pictures of their products?
So just like I said before, good lighting. Make sure if you do have something that is going to have a glare, to kind of maneuver around the glare and anything that will cause that. And then also, like example right here, we have like a nice textured wall. It's kind of like a neutral color, so it brings out the product's color and richness.
Yeah.
And so good, like textured walls are nice for your products.
Fantastic.
So
terrific.
I think that's good.
All right, you guys. Well, again, thanks for tuning in. We appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, you can email me, Eric@makeawoodsign.com. We so appreciate you watching. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.